Let's turn now to Yemen, where heavier than usual rains throughout 2020, including monthly flash floods since March, have affected at least 16 of the country's 22 governorates. Local authorities estimate that 130 people have died and more than 120 people have been injured across the country's northern governorates. The floods have led to the repeated displacements of people, with about 29,000 already displaced in the impacted areas. Humanitarian organizations are assessing the situation and mobilizing emergency assistance, including relief items for flood-affected families, movement restrictions due to COVID-19, and limited non-food supplies are challenging the humanitarian response. To date, the Yemen Humanitarian Response Plan is only 21% funded. Donors are urged to pay all outstanding pledges immediately and to consider increasing their support. Limited donor funding is forcing core programs to close or reduce supports across the different sectors, including food, water, health, and nutrition. And we have